Good morning, my Colorado friends. Randy Flood here. Today is Wednesday, June the 23rd, and boy, we're enjoying a terrific rally, a great rally. Now, the rates go up category. The home pricing index actually increased 0.8%, which is much higher than what they anticipated, which was 0.3%. But that's not really having much of an effect upon rates right now, because the big shocker is the existing home sales was significantly off the expectations, especially when they were expecting big numbers from the tax credit. Now, some analysts or experts are saying, well, it's because the lenders are backlogged and they can't get the loans processed. Personally, I think that's a bunch of BS. I believe that a lot of you know this drop had a lot to do with lack of funding for the USDA rural program and the government's inability to go on and fix the national flood insurance. Now, the 2-year auction yesterday was great, and that caused part of the rally yesterday afternoon. Here's what's going on in the market right now. We're presently up 16 basis point, and as you can see, yesterday we did well. We didn't close at the top, but today, we're up at highs. If you if you take a look at the 4.5 coupon, we're at all-time high of 103.5, and once again, this is very, very positive trend. And let me move back, and I know I sound like a broken record, but I like this stair step case because, that's a healthy rally. And once again, we started this way back in March, and this is a strong trend line, and we're very fortunate on it. Now let's take a closer look at the longer term. And once again, you've seen very few times that we've actually pierced this, but when we've pierced it before, we really dropped off. For example, you know, I'll take a look right here. This is when the Fed announced that they weren't going to be buying mortgage-backed securities again, and you can see that bond prices decreased, which caused interest rates to go up slightly. Now, you know, our rally has been based upon pure economic news, technical factors, and the economy is still not doing well, which means stocks or money's flowing out of stocks into safe securities, bonds, and mortgage-backed securities. And all that is terrific for rates. As a matter of fact, today's rate sheets, I'm seeing rates for the first time at 4.38%. Probably your lender will be, or your mortgage guy or gal will probably be doing loans about 4.5%. But if this rally continues to go, which I think it will, I believe that we will have a correction, which will be healthy for us. But over the long term, I'm very, very bullish upon interest rates. In summary, existing home sales was disappointed, significantly helped rates. The 2-year auction was terrific. Positive anticipation for the 5-year auction. Now, if that doesn't go well, what will happen is, there will be a correction in the bond market. Housing prices did increase, but no one's really paying attention to that. As I mentioned before, the 4.5% coupon is an all-time high, and treasuries have room and the potential to climb higher. Now, the thought of the day: the path between you and what you want is only blocked by desire. I know when I talk to people, I ask them, "What do you want?" People are, usually respond with, "Well, I don't want this, I don't want that," but majority of the people really don't know what they want. And if you don't know what you want, you're not going to be able to go on and be able to work toward it. So decide what you want, and decide also how bad do you want it. Because unless you have the desire to go on and get it, any slightest obstacle is going to derail you, and you're not going to get what you want. So once again, decide what you want, work toward it, and have that desire and passion. And as always, wanting only the best for you.